This is part 5 of our Scotland adventure when we drive to Applecross. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This is a mini-series, so if you haven't seen the other ones already, maybe watch the other videos first. You join us leaving the campsite and Fern's starting mileage today is 29,059. Today we are driving from the campsite we stayed at tonight and then to the Applecross campsite. There were some great roads today and we actually drove a bit more than this. We needed petrol when we got to the campsite, so what we actually did was the Applecross Pass to get petrol, and then the Applecross Pass again to get back to the campsite, but more on that later. I struggled a bit packing up again in the morning, which seems to be a bit of a familiar beginning to the day for me. I will definitely be better prepared for my next camping trip, and big note to self, always make sure that there's spare space in the car. That I think I've said in every video so far. I bet next time I probably won't pack enough and I'll have plenty of space, but there you go. Like every day so far, there has been absolutely brilliant roads, and today is no exception. Are you liking the 360 video clips? I've edited them slightly different this time, and I think I think they're better and smoother. We stopped here for a quick break. And here you go, you have some behind the scenes action and seeing how the magic is made. The weather was slightly strange today, as at times it rained pretty hard and then it was clear again. Luckily, all of the good roads were in the dry.
Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
There was a little period when it rained, so the half hoods went on for a short period.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Here was our lunch stop for the day.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good.
If you are liking these videos, please consider subscribing, as it makes a big difference to a small channel like mine.
So overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a
Could have quite easily made this video 4 hours long, as there was such good footage for today.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Nice to get a different view.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing.
Another good place for a break with some lovely views.
After death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. This is the Applecross Pass, and I'm going to speed it up a little bit as we go over one way to get petrol and then we go back the other way. Next week what I'm going to do is release a video of the Applecross Pass in real time. So when we go over for the third time in the morning, we only see one vehicle right at the start, and it's a really clean run, which was absolutely brilliant, and I drove quite spirited on the way down, so hopefully that comes across. When we were in Applecross finding a place to eat, we realised that there was actually a petrol station here, so we didn't have to do the extra driving that we did. Saying that though, I think the Applecross Pass was one of my favourite parts of the trip, so I think it was worth it.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah.
When we first got onto the single track roads, it was quite new for me. Well, not to drive on a single track roads, but because they went on for such a long time. It's quite an experience, and even though you need to concentrate even more than normal, you do start to get used to it.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams.
Somebody asked in the comments in one of the previous videos about petrol stations. When you are in the more remote areas of Scotland, there are petrol stations like these which are pay at pump. Now back over the Applecross Pass again to the campsite.
Somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
we are arriving at the campsite. This was a very busy campsite and we had lots of people come up to us to talk about our cars and our trip in general. This seemed to be a stop that a lot of people used on the NC500. I will leave a link to the campsite in the description below. Fern's mileage at the end of today was 29,218, so that's 159 miles today, but it actually felt like more than this. We walked into Applecross and had fish and chips by the sea for dinner. It was really nice. I will leave you here for this part of the mini-series. So next week I will release a video of the Applecross Pass in real time, which we do in the morning. We only met one vehicle on the way right at the beginning, so it's a very clean run. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.